How to find SIM number on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device, and as you tap on settings, just scroll down and then tap on SIM cards and mobile networks over here. Tap on it and it will lead you to a SIM cards and mobile network. So you can see two options, or two SIMs rather, over here. So you can just select any of the SIM that you want to know the number of. I'm going to go for number 2, and then here you'll be able to see the option of edit SIM card number. So tap on it and you'll be able to tap and see the SIM card number over here. You can edit if you want to change the number as well, but if not, then you can just go back and you'll be able to know the SIM card number of on your Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.